Hey friend, what's up? It's Brittney Hiller here, and today I'm going to offer you 5 minutes of inspiration. So this is your 5 minute of inspo with Brittney. So I'm going to start the clock. Boom! And we're going to get started. Today we're going to talk about words and how they create worlds. And I just took from this amazing book that I'm reading, The Cosmic Journal, and it allows me the opportunity to literally just open the book anywhere and receive inspiration. So today our inspiration comes from your words create worlds. In this, it talks about how we can create worlds with our words. So listen in on this beautiful entry here. You can learn so much about someone simply by paying attention to their words and language. What we say or think determines what we believe is possible or impossible. Phrases like I can't or I'll try indicate they've given up before even starting. So how often do you think to yourself, or do you say out loud, right? I can't do that, or I'll try to do that. Even just the sound of the word itself is already a defeatist, right, way of being. So notice that for yourself. Let's see here. Yeah, and so stop yourself and slow down to really examine what you're telling yourself. Your words invoke what real. Take apart your next excuse and really observe what you're saying. Is it even true? Why are you repeating it? Where did it come from? What are the empowering words you could use instead? Words are alive with real power. Ensure you are using magic words to open up more worlds. And so these magic words I teach through my embodiment coaching process. And so we're going to start today with one of those empowering words. We're going to actually start with empowering questions. So one of these empowering questions could be, very much so, what would it be like if? Right? Instead of saying, I can't do so-and-so because of XYZ, we could instead say that same thing. So let's use an example. For example, let's say I wanted to write a book. And instead of going into the spot of, I can't write a book because I don't have a publisher and I don't have an agent and I don't know what to do, I could go into, what would it be like if I began to write down everything that I know and love and started the process of creating a book? What would that be like? I wonder, what would it be like to meet people who already know how to write a book? Right? These are empowering questions. And then not only that, they allow us to open up our worlds instead of close them off, right? So I can't, or I'll try. I'll try is a big one. A lot of us say it because it sounds like it's an empowering statement. It sounds like we're going to actually do something, but yet we typically, the things that we say we're going to try to do, we typically put to the side and actually hardly ever, if never, do it. So think about the last time that you said you were going to try something, and did you actually try it? What was the outcome? Yeah. So it's pretty cool, right? If we start to look at, for example, like the new year, right? And we look at what's happening with the new year, and that's usually when we begin our resolutions. I'll try to do this. I'll try to lose weight. I'll try to create a business. I'll try to write a book, right? Anything that it is that we have in our world that we want to do, we put that I'll try in front of it. Basically, we can probably guarantee ourselves it's not going to happen. So I invite you today to utilize more empowering questions such as, what would it be like if? So today, I invite you to comment below and say 2 what would it be like if statements for yourself that otherwise would have been, I can't, or I'll try. Thank you so much for tuning in. I was like, I know this is just a little bit less than 5 minutes, but I'm truly grateful for you showing up and for being here, as well as if you desire to work with me one-on-one, I am offering embodiment coaching, and I have a 15-minute complimentary session that you can join me on. I'll have the link here for you, so check it out and let's get together. Feel free to sign up. I can't wait to help you create a life filled with more pleasure, more prosperity, and much more peace. May you have a beautiful day, friends. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.